Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Baked by Fatima. In this video we are going to learn how to make white chocolate brownies. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So the ingredients we require are 1/4 cup oil, 1/4 cup butter, 3/4 cup flour, half cup of white chocolate, sugar 3/4 cup, 2 eggs, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon and milk powder 1/4 cup. Start by pouring the butter, then add in the oil and white chocolate in one bowl. Microwave it for 30 seconds. Give this mixture a quick stir until there are no lumps. Add in the castor sugar and mix until it's combined. Add in the eggs one by one and mix it gently by using the cutful method. Sift in the dry ingredients. First goes all-purpose flour, then milk powder. Sift until there are no lumps in the mixture. Mix the dry ingredients very gently using the cut-fold method. Make sure you do not over-mix the batter. Then add in the vanilla essence. Then mix it until you get a ribbon-like flow. When you get a flow like this, stop mixing and prepare your tin. Pour your batter in a square inch pan lined with parchment paper. Make sure you have preheated your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Tap your baking pan twice on the counter at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Remove your brownies from the tin when it cools down completely. See how the brownies have come out very soft. Top your brownies with any favorite filling of yours. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video and share it with your friends.